Hey guys, let's make some apple crumble. It's easy and it's delicious. It goes perfectly well with some custard or some ice cream. So let's get started. Before we do, please do also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Thank you. So we need some few ingredients. We need some apples, some butter, brown sugar, plain flour, and cinnamon, and we are ready to go. So let's start by peeling our apples. We're gonna peel like 6 apples, and I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. So I'll go ahead to add my cinnamon to it and a little bit of lemon juice, which is optional. The lemon juice is optional, but then it enhances the flavor for me. So I'm going ahead to spread this in a baking tray and I'll set it aside. So it's time for us to work on our crumble. So for this, you'll need the dry ingredients, the plain flour, the brown sugar, and the butter. So I used a cup and a half of plain flour, a quarter cup of brown sugar, and a quarter cup of butter. So all you do is just to mix it along. Add as much butter as needed. As you can see, I added a little bit of butter to it to get the consistency that I wanted, but you're just adding everything together to get a sandy texture, and you're ready to go. We're not adding any milk, no wet ingredient, just this. Now that I'm content with the consistency, I'm just going ahead to spread it evenly over my already prepared apples, and this will go into the oven 150 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes or till it turns golden brown, and your apple crumble is ready to be enjoyed. Apple crumble goes perfectly well with some vanilla ice cream, which tastes absolutely divine. But for this, I only had custard, so I'm just going to pair it with custard, which is also divine as well. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment for me in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.